wanna kiss you, make you feel alright. I'm just so tired to share my nights.
Those that didn't have money to pay, what would they do? It is a traumatizing experience. If your skin is dark, you're at a disadvantage.
I wanna cry and I wanna love all my tears.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're an oldie, you know what's up already. My name is Nneka Isanya and I upload immigration and lifestyle content right here on my channel. You're welcome and I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm really excited about today's video because I'm about to put you guys on, baby. As you can tell from the title of today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys about content creators here in Canada that will make your migrating into Canada easy, that will make your immigration into Canada a breeze, that will just simplify the whole process for you. And if we're being honest guys, I have a niche. I have a section I just focus on, which is study permit or coming into Canada as a student, because you guys already know, if you're not new to my channel, I usually only talk about things that I have experience in, and if I don't have experience in whatever I'm going to talk about, I do an in-depth research about that topic, or better still, I invite a guest that has like an experience on that particular topic, right? And because I'm so confined to a particular niche, I feel like people might just want to come into Canada as a worker or as a permanent resident, or you might even want to come in with your spouse or your family, and I cannot share that kind of personal experience with you guys because I don't have it, right? So that kind of propelled me to want to, you know, put you guys onto content creators that are very, very diverse and are very, very multifaceted, because it would be way better if you could relate personally to someone else's journey. There's basically someone for everyone in today's video, and it's not a coincidence that this video is dropping at the last week of Black History Month. Personally, child, I feel like every month should be Black History Month, but February is the month that we get to celebrate our legacy and celebrate our culture as Black people. So it was just the perfect time for me to put you guys onto amazing Black creators that create content for immigrating into Canada. Before I started prepping for this video and before I started getting my facts right, I asked you guys on the community tab on YouTube, I think about 2 to 3 weeks ago, to put me onto Black creators that have made your immigration into Canada easy, and you guys put me onto amazing creators. When I was going through some of their content, I was like, what have I been doing with my time, girl? What have I been sleeping on some people, child? I'm going to be sharing with you guys like 12 content creators that have amazing content for migrating into Canada. So I'm really excited to share this video with you guys. Before we move on to today's video, I want to give a very big shout out to Kehi, the Kehi Show. He did a video like this, I think almost 6 months ago, where he just spoke about content creators that made his migration into Canada easy for him, because he's currently in Canada, right? I thought it was so thoughtful of him. It was so amazing and inspiring that he could do something like that. He makes his content really funny and very relatable, right? I'll leave a link to the video he made right here, and also leave a link to his YouTube channel in the description box. I wanted to section this video into categories like I always do with all my immigration videos, but for some reason it was really hard to do this for this video, because these individuals are very diverse and multifaceted. Like, they talk about so many things on their channel. So I'm just like, fam, I'm just going to be winging it into this video, and I'm just going to be going through the list in no particular order, okay? The first person on my list is Faye Mack. Faye Mack is like the OG of everything Canada. If multifaceted was a person, Faye Mack is that person. From coming to Canada as a student, then working, getting her permanent residence, she just got sworn in as a Canadian citizen. So it makes her content very diverse. One specific thing I love about Faye's channel is that she brings guests to her channel to share their professional opinion about several topics, and I feel that's really good, because you will definitely be able to relate to someone else's opinion. And aside that, her voice, like, she talks really calmly. Like, she's so eloquent. There's a way she passes across information that I just really love. So yeah, definitely go check out Faye's channel. The next person on this list is XO Renny. Renny is a beautiful Black girl, and she talks about everything finance. She's a finance and career babe, and I love me a finance babe, guys. If you're in Canada or you're yet to even coming to Canada, there's definitely content for you on Renny's channel. She talks about how to open a high interest savings account here in Canada, a TFSA, RSS RSP. If you don't know what RSP is like a retirement savings plan, and TFSA is like a tax-free savings account, right? And one thing I like about Renny's content is very inclusive. Like, she takes you along with her. Basically, if she's traveling somewhere, just know that she's carrying you behind her as her hand luggage. She takes you with her through her content. She also even started a series about how to revamp your LinkedIn account if you want to get a job here in Canada. She definitely has content for everyone, so I'll leave the link to her YouTube channel down below. The next person on my list is Toby Adekaya. Girl, I hope I'm not butchering your name. She's a beautiful black girl. Toby Adekaya is your Canadian guide. You know how you travel to a foreign country and you have like a tourist guide? For Canada, Toby is your guide, because her content is very, very in-depth and she shares very knowledgeable content. There's something about her content and from the way she passes her content that I feel is so mature. Her energy just screams maturity, right? And I really love that about her. And she's very diverse with her content. She posts about vlogs, life in Canada vlog. She posts about study. She posts about career. And recently, she just started migrating into the finance sector of it. And child, that's where you'll find me. So definitely check out her channel and show her some love. I think in this video I'm going to be repeating myself so much because these people are just very diverse, so please cut me some slack, okay? The next set of people on my list, I use set because there are two, is OT Love Train, Oluz and Dorothy. Beautiful couple. Love their energy, love what they stand for, and just love the overall dynamics of their relationship. They are the first people on my list that are actually from Alberta. The other people I've mentioned are all from Ontario, right? So if you're coming into Canada and you want to have a feel of the Alberta experience, definitely check out Oluz and Dorothy. They came into Canada with their permanent residence, right, as a couple, and they made a series about their PR journey, a very in-depth series. I think it was about 4 episodes. I'll use episodes because they were that lengthy, right, and very in-depth, right? So if you want to come into Canada with your spouse, definitely check that their series out. And I used to always get questions about, if I'm coming with my family, if I'm coming with my spouse, what route do you think I should take? Well, I hope after today's video I will not be receiving questions like that, because I'm putting you guys on to people that you can go and ask those questions to. Definitely check Oluz and Dorothy out. Their channel is amazing and they keep on growing and I love to see the growth. The next person on my list is Marina Esiri. Marina is a beautiful mother of 2 and she came into Canada with her family. When I say my list is diverse, this is an example of diversity, okay? So if you want to come into Canada as a family, just go to Marina's channel. She definitely talks about her experience. She definitely talks about her journey. She even has videos with her husband where she talks about how to raise children here in Canada, because if we're being honest, the same way you raise a kid in Nigeria is different from the way you raise a kid here in Canada. The culture is different, the dynamics is different, the way of life is different here, right? And there's some things that you cannot just do here as a parent when raising kids, right? I really love her bubbly energy. Her content focuses on jobs and career, and she's the first person on my list that resides in Saskatchewan. So if you're going to migrate into Canada and you're going to reside in that province, you should definitely check out Marina's channel. Link in the description. The next person on my list is a Toronto babe, Blessing Bamiduro. Blessing Bamiduro speaks smart financial babe. Like, her content is just different. When she talks here, you know that this person just knows what she's saying. She's so confident with the way she passes across her content. She's so comfortable in that space and I just love it. I love to see a confident babe. If you want to know anything about the Canadian workspace, you want to know how to negotiate your salary, yes, that's the thing. You can actually negotiate your salary here in Canada. Then just go to Blessing's channel. And I love her channel because you don't have to be in Canada to be able to learn from her. You can be anywhere and you'll be able to learn from her content. She took a break off YouTube, but now she's back. So please go show her some love and engage with her content, okay? The next person on my list is Swami Charles, one of my personal faves. Hey girl. Swami Charles is a beautiful, gorgeous black girl. She started her YouTube channel way before she came into Canada, so she has experience in the content creation world. She started taking us along her journey, how she moved into Canada, her setbacks, you know, things like that. So you definitely learn something from her, and her vlogs are amazing too. I'm a very huge fan of her moving vlogs. She's the first person on my list that resides in BC, British Columbia. So if that's where you would like to reside when you get into Canada, definitely check her content out because you have a feel of the BC environment. The next person on my list is Rachel Ogullana. Beautiful babe. Rachel resides in Calgary, and if you want to get the feel of Canada even before coming into Canada, Rachel is definitely your babe. I really just enjoy her vlogs. She's one of the people I just even got to know about from you guys' list, right? So when I started watching her channel, I was like, for some reason her vlogs are detailed and very educative. Like, you're watching a vlog but you're learning something from the vlog at the same time. So that's why I really love her channel. And she also does like sit down videos too. So her content is diverse, guys. That's why I said I could not categorize these people because it was going to be hard. So definitely check out Rachel because you will definitely learn something watching and subscribing to her channel for sure. The next person on my list is Onyeka Asamaka. Onyeka is a beautiful, consistent babe. Even if I'm to just say one thing about Onyeka's channel, I just love her consistency. It's not easy having real life and also doing YouTube at the same time, and I really love the fact that she just brings different content. There's always something you can watch and relate to on Onyeka's channel. Is it immigration content? Is it vlogs? Is it fashion content? She just uploaded, I think a week or 2 weeks ago, her first clothing haul, which I felt it was really cute and really nice. She came into Canada as a student, then she worked and she got her permanent residence. There's definitely something for everyone on Onyeka's channel. The next person on my list is Miss Yemis. Yemis creates amazing content. She came to Canada as a student, right? So that's basically her niche and that's where she focuses on. I don't think there's any question about study permit that you would have right now that Yemis doesn't have a video on. Literally, I really love Yemis' content because of its details. You definitely know that she shares like real content, things that she has experienced before, right? So that's one of the reasons I really love Yemis' content. She was also one of the people I got to know from you guys as well, and she's almost at 10k subscribers. Please go subscribe to her channel and show her some love because she definitely deserves it. The last but not the least on my list is Dami Lima. Dami is a beautiful dark skin goddess. Like, she's amazing and she seems like a very friendly person. I just really love the way she interacts with her audience on YouTube. It just screams, you know, selfless. She vlogged her journey from day one, from the very first time she left the Nigerian airport to when she came to Canada, then she graduated from school. So congratulations, girl, congratulations. Dami takes you along with her. She takes you along her journey, and I just really love her channel because she's very thorough with her immigration content. So definitely check out Dami Lima. I'll leave the link to her YouTube channel in the description box. This community is getting so diverse and I love to see it grow. And the funny thing is that we content creators, we don't have to do this. We don't have to share our personal experiences, but we choose to do it. We choose to take out time, we choose to take our resources, we choose to put in so much effort to be able to create quality content just so that people's journey can be easy. I just want to use this opportunity, or I'm just using this opportunity to, you know, encourage them as well, and also encourage anyone who is about to get into this community because there can never be too much of us. Trust me, the sky is large enough for everyone, right? There's definitely someone that is going to learn from your experience. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on the post notification so you can get notified every single time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.